going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hi guys, I got this wig from Arietis store. It's a 28 inches 13 by 4 blonde frontal wig. First, I start by brushing my edges with edge control. Tried it on to see how it fits before laying it down properly. You will agree with me that who don't find abi, because what is this beauty? Applied glue and dried using my hand dryer just to make it a bit sticky. I tried cutting off the flap, but I don't even know what I was doing at this point. See me doing what I don't know. Last I had to take it off because it wasn't really working out well. I needed to take it off so I could see and cut off the flap, and it ended up working out well. Since it didn't work out the previous time, I wasn't going to use the glue anymore, so I used Got to Base spray. I found it from a TikTok video, and I started laying it down, spreading it just close to my hairline where I needed my frontal wig to stay. I went in and dried with my hand dryer again just to make it a bit more sticky. I pressed it down with my hands. It wasn't really working, so I took my small tail comb and started combing it in to make it lie down very well. To an extent, it worked. And then I sectioned the frontal wig into 3 parts: the left, the right, and the middle part. I started out with the middle part, and to be honest, it worked great. And then I moved in with my comb to just press it down, went in to the right part, and then went to the left part. This method I found easy. Then I trimmed off my lace. Then I went in with my Got to Base spray again just to make sure the flaps that we are lifting up lays down flat, because we don't want our frontal wig flying up and down. I cannot be embarrassing myself in the streets, okay? So just take your time. Try to make sure they're all properly laid. That was what I did. And then I tied it down with my elastic band just to make sure it stays in place. I decided to do the side part because it's something I'm used to, and I know, of course, the side parts always fit me, so I went to side part. And I went in with my wax stick, my hair wax, just to lay it down. I find it easy after applying wax to use any of my styling tools to make sure that it lays down. Then I went in with my hair serum. Then I started coiling it because I wanted the body wave style. This is honestly my first time of putting on a frontal wig, like laying it down myself. I don't know how you guys do it. You know those group of girls that they know how to style themselves, they know how to lay their frontal down, they know how to do their makeup in a perfect way. I am envious of you guys. I am jealous. The jealousy is... I went through the most just trying to put this frontal on, but hopefully the next time, of course, next time is going to be a lot more easier, better, because I'll be doing it more often now. This is one important question that I've been looking forward to asking. Do you think this looks good on me? Or I should stick to much darker colors? Let me take a pose first. So you can take a look of the wig, the color, and how it complements my skin, or if it doesn't complement my skin. Please let me know in the comment section. I looking forward to trying more wigs, short wigs, long wigs, any one at all. So if you've not liked, if you've not subscribed, and if you've not commented, please subscribe, please like and comment. Trust me, I would really appreciate it. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye. 'Cause I don't want this